contact earlier on, he might be able. And this is what BRGY is really known for.
Now they're looking for him. Puts up another shot clock. Down to 5. Alonso realizes.
Now a tall front line. Good cut from Belga. We have a Gabe Norwood who can play the point guard position.
Pringle tries to make his move. Belga to the corner. Porporan for 3. To the wing. Pringle extra pass. Gumaru for 3. To the corner. Tenorio.
Yeah.
Cool puts up a turn to the ball game. Here's GN once again. Alonso will launch. Goes to Clarito. Santillan leaks out. C-Stan. C-Stan. Spins not good.
50% with the rebounding effort, but the problem is he
Gets those offensive rebounds.
Awi sila ngayon, but they're still trailing. Alonso on. You get the feeling there's no defense here, but both these teams like inbound na.
Yes, correct.
Shot clock's winding down. Does Pringle realize it? Japet will try to bring it closer.
On fire, tying at the game up, but Barangay Ginebra with for rain or shine.
Asistio will launch. Big Bow inside. Still get. C-Stan trying to make them pay. Barako to kick it. The trail here for C-Stan. Can he have an explosion? Kicks it back out. Mamuyak with it. Unfortunately, one finds Coop. Puts up a stand, back out. Maverick for the dagger. No. Barako to stop, pop, and Santillan. Back rims that one. Nokum.